Hello everyone and welcome to sqadia.com. I'm your educator Dr. Ali Imran and today's lecture is about abdominal imaging. So without further ado, let's get on to it about its outlines. In this lecture, we'll study about abdominal trauma. What is abdominal trauma? What are different kinds of it? The blunt, the penetrating, how to deal with it, and which modalities are used in which kind of trauma. We also learn about the abdominal pain. That abdominal pain is sometimes diffused and referred, but we will also study that pain in which area is due to which conditions. We will learn about the different quadrants of the abdomen and the pain in all of those quadrants corresponds to which of the various conditions. We'll also learn about jaundice. What is jaundice? What causes jaundice? What are major causes and how to diagnose them through the radiological studies, which modalities are used in which cause. We will learn about all of this in this. Then we'll learn about the GI bleeding. We'll learn about the upper GI bleed, we'll learn about the lower GI bleed, what causes the upper, what causes the lower GI bleed, what are the symptoms and signs in the upper one, and what are the signs and symptoms in the lower one. Which conditions are more prone to cause the upper GI bleed and which cause the lower GI bleed. So we learn about all of this in this lecture. Then we'll learn about the non-specific issues. Now, non-specific issues are unexplained symptomologies in patients, where even after multiple radiological studies and tests, even pathological or histological or chemical hematological tests, we still do not know what cause various symptoms in patients. So we will tackle these non-specific issues in each case and how those non-specific issues are presented on various modalities of radiology. So you can find this lecture among thousands of other medical lectures about all kinds of medical subjects such as anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, pathology, even radiology, gastroenterology. You will find about all topics and everything on sqadia.com. You can even start your own free trial today if you log on to sqadia.com. Thank you so much for watching sqadia.com.